verdict is in for Officer Chauvin. And they got it totally wrong. After a year of riots, threats, and terror from the Black Lives Matter and the leftist mob, the jury was scared, bullied, and forced into this. And that has me terribly concerned for the rest of us. Law and order. The rule of law should never be compromised. Police does not need reforming or defunding. So much blacks would not have been killed by cops if they followed law and order. Some people claim blacks get killed for doing much less than whites. A minority anchor on another network dared to show some videos of whites he claimed were acting up and cops did nothing. One really stood out to me called Bar Owner Runs Over Cop. I say, yeah, you see some instances of white folks cursing out cops and resisting arrest. But the difference is that white folks do it in a patriotic way, for the love of country. Some just have bad days like all those patriots that entered the Capitol on January 6th. They at least had the decency to attack the cops with American flags. If that's not patriotism, I don't know what is.